If you're disciplined, you'll get rich, and for being disciplined, you need to follow the 14 simple rules we will discuss today. So keep watching this video till the end. Now let's start. Number 1, prioritize consistently spending less than your income. The cornerstone of wealth accumulation is straightforward yet frequently overlooked. Ensure your expenditures are less than your income. It may seem straightforward, but numerous individuals overlook this principle despite experiencing a rise in their earnings. True financial success is determined not just by income, but by the amount that remains after all expenses are accounted for. By consistently maintaining a difference between your income and your expenditures, you establish a solid base for saving and investing. This practice might seem limiting occasionally, particularly in a society that promotes ongoing spending. Yet it stands as the most dependable method for individuals to embark on their path to financial stability. Number 2, prioritize your savings above all else. Prior to settling any bills or making additional expenditures, it is essential to allocate a segment of your income directly towards your future financial well-being. This indicates that savings and investments should be regarded as essential expenditures that cannot be compromised. By maintaining this practice regularly, you effectively eliminate the urge to use funds that ought to be preserved. With this straightforward adjustment, you can facilitate the automatic growth of your wealth over time. While it might seem that you're restricting your present way of living, you are, in fact, focusing on securing your long-term financial health rather than indulging in short-lived pleasures. Subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more financial tips. Number 3, steer clear of lifestyle inflation as your earnings increase. As your income grows, it's common to seek enhancements in your lifestyle. However, if your expenses increase in tandem with your income, your financial situation remains unchanged. Affluent individuals frequently uphold a disciplined lifestyle despite increasing earnings, enabling them to allocate additional income towards savings or investments. This approach may seem like a limitation, particularly when you observe others making advancements, yet it establishes a significant financial benefit in the long run. Number 4, begin your investment journey as soon as possible and maintain a steady approach over time. Time serves as a crucial asset in the journey of accumulating wealth. Beginning your investment journey sooner allows you to take full advantage of the power of compounding. Consistent investment of even modest sums can lead to substantial growth over time. The focus should be on maintaining your investment strategy and making consistent contributions, rather than trying to time the market flawlessly. This strategy might not appear thrilling initially, and the pace of progress may seem gradual at the outset. However, with time, it fosters significant growth that is challenging to replicate through alternative methods. Number 5, maintain a lifestyle that is more modest than your income allows. It's important to recognize the distinction between your financial capacity and your spending decisions. Maintaining a lifestyle that is less than what your income permits requires a deliberate approach to managing your expenses. This establishes a safeguard that shields you from monetary pressures and enables you to accumulate wealth gradually. Although it might appear that you're giving up comfort, you're in fact acquiring flexibility and control over your financial future. Number 6, prioritize the swift elimination of high-interest debt. High-interest debt can considerably hinder your financial advancement. Interest payments utilize funds that could be allocated towards savings or investment opportunities. By focusing on paying off these debts, you can enhance your financial flexibility and alleviate some of the stress associated with your financial obligations. This approach may necessitate commitment and short-term trade-offs, yet propels you closer to achieving financial freedom. Number 7, Establishing an emergency fund is essential for ensuring financial stability. Unforeseen costs are an inevitable aspect of life, and lacking adequate preparation can hinder your financial advancement. An emergency fund serves as a crucial buffer, enabling you to navigate unexpected circumstances without the need to incur debt. This fund may not appear to be the most thrilling investment option, yet it offers a sense of security and stability, both of which are crucial for achieving long-term financial growth. Number 8, prioritize long-term objectives over immediate gratification. Financial success is achieved through a focus on enduring strategies. Rather than opting for short-term satisfaction, those who achieve financial success strategically align their choices with their long-term objectives. This emphasizes the importance of focusing on investments, savings, and thoughtful spending rather than making impulsive purchases. Although it may seem limiting at times, adopting this perspective guarantees that your financial choices lead to enduring prosperity. Number 9. Consider strategies to boost your earnings while maintaining a firm grip on your expenditures. While it is essential to keep a close eye on your expenses, focusing on ways to boost your income can significantly enhance your financial growth. This could entail enhancing your skill set, exploring more advantageous opportunities, or establishing supplementary income sources. It is essential to focus on making sure that any rise in income translates into greater savings and investments, rather than simply resulting in elevated spending. This balance enables you to enhance your wealth. Number 10. Streamline your financial processes. Establishing consistency becomes more manageable when decisions are automated. Establishing automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts is a strategic approach to maintaining your financial goals without depending solely on personal discipline. Automation alleviates the burden of continuous decision-making and minimizes the chances of overlooking or postponing crucial financial actions. This straightforward approach facilitates consistent advancement over time. Number 11. Monitor your expenditures and maintain awareness. Gaining clarity on your financial outflows is crucial for making well-informed choices. Monitoring your expenses is not about limiting every single dollar. Rather, it offers you insight and authority over your financial situation. Being mindful of your financial habits enables you to pinpoint areas of excessive expenditure and make necessary adjustments to your spending behaviors. Although it might seem monotonous initially, it establishes a solid groundwork for improved financial management. Number 12. Focus on acquiring assets rather than solely indulging in consumption. Building wealth involves acquiring assets that either produce income or increase in value over time. Rather than concentrating exclusively on spending, savvy individuals direct a segment of their funds into investments like stocks, real estate, or entrepreneurial ventures. This change in perspective turns money from a mere expenditure into a valuable asset that actively benefits you. Number 13. Exercise patience and have confidence in the journey ahead. Accumulating wealth is a gradual process, and outcomes are seldom instant. Exercising patience is crucial, particularly during times when advancements may seem gradual. Having faith in the journey involves maintaining consistency, even in the absence of immediate returns. Consistent, small efforts can lead to substantial outcomes, benefiting those who maintain their discipline. Number 14. Refrain from measuring your financial progress against that of others. Evaluating your situation against others can create undue stress and result in suboptimal choices. Each individual's financial circumstances are unique, and comparing your progress to that of others can lead to unrealistic expectations. By concentrating on your personal objectives and advancements, you ensure clarity and minimize distractions that could hinder your progress. Now, watch the video appearing on the right side to know the things the rich do that feel like being broke. Also, subscribe to our channel to help us complete our goal of 11,000 subscribers.